Digitising Galway's Graveyard Heritage Project was a perfect instrument for us in Galway County Council to show members of the Galway community the value of how we can make what might seem very mundane information very interesting.
The whole system is about capturing data that otherwise would remain locked away in paper documents and spreadsheets. The data that is collected through the project is stored on ArcGIS Online. What we then do is we build a number of applications, including dashboards and experience builder-based applications that enable staff members to validate and query the data, and also is public-facing that enables anybody throughout the world to query, view and download that data.
This project is really important because it really showcases the essence of what community heritage is about, heritage at the local level. With data collection, the communities are the people that record the information from the memorials. In addition to that as well, they go and they collect, I suppose, auxiliary information. The big thing is that it's open and it's free. It means that it can be used by local historians, genealogists, children in school, academics. It can be used by a myriad of people, and also the fact that the local people are collecting and gathering this data themselves is hugely important.
It has a multifaceted ability to present information. People can understand very, very rapidly. You don't need to be looking at a spreadsheet.
We can plot to the actual burial plot, so it's not just to the whole graveyard. Each burial is recorded to the exact location in the burial ground where it is.
Survey 123 is a great tool for intergenerational studies and projects. It's going to be an amazing wealth of information for people here in Ireland, in colleges and of course abroad as well.
Galway County Council, we have in the region of 250 graveyards in council ownership. Some of the sites go back to early Christian times, others are medieval and others are modern. The earliest memorial we have is probably from about the 1640s.
Validating and correcting data that's collected by community groups is very important. So while it's great that we're collecting lots of data, we need to make sure that that data is verified and correct before it gets published out publicly.
It was very easy. We found it very simple to use. Since we've had our map board up in particular, we've had a lot of queries and a lot of compliments about the system and how easy it was to get into it.
It's worked out very well that somebody's there for the 8 days to reassure them, and if they have any questions maybe about some of the iconography that's on some of the plots or the headstones, they can ask me.
Biggest impact of this is creating awareness, knowledge and pride in the local heritage of an area. The name is recorded in the memorial inscription. That person is not forgotten, and there's a link between that person and the place from which they come.
The last couple of heritage projects has shown there's a huge capacity and a huge growth opportunity with the Heritage Office to continue to develop GIS as a tools to map out heritage programmes and projects like the Graveyards project around Galway County.
We won 2 awards. We won a Public Sector Digital Transformation Award and we won the Esri Award, and we were absolutely delighted to win. It really demonstrated that we were making a difference.
This project is a perfect example of how we've proven to those communities that their heritage means something, how we've recorded that heritage and how we present it to them.
It's everybody working together as a team, as a mehel, to create this wonderful gift, which is the digitisation of the graveyards of the county.